Are you tired of acne, dry skin, or just plain old dull skin? Well, wipe your tears away because boy do I have the perfect product for you. It's natural, cheap, and takes no time at all to prepare. Today, I bring you the one, the only.
After I started using all my problems went away. Boy problems, money problems, skin problems. And he fixed it all. He changed my life. I will never be the same again.
Call 123456789 or go to www.com to get your order today.
Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back. Today I want to show you guys how to make a very quick and inexpensive face mask right from the comfort of your home, and it literally takes 2 minutes if not less, so anyone can do it. And I just want to say that I'm not certified or a trained professional of any sorts. I just give you this information based on what has worked for me and the people around me. So I just wanted to say that before I started the video. Now let's get started. So the product we're going to be using is, are you ready? I don't think you're ready. I mean, if you're not ready, let me know and I can give you a few minutes to get ready. But if you're ready, all right, you're ready? All right, I'll let you know. The product that we're gonna be using today, and the only product, is, hallelujah, honey. Honey is bomb. I literally use it all the time for my hair and my skin. It just leaves them super moisturized, and you can literally use it every single day. So, you know, you don't have to worry about side effects because it doesn't have the added chemicals. Side note, unless you're allergic or you know honey doesn't react well with your skin. Always do a patch test before you use any product on your face, because if you are allergic to it for any reason, you don't want that reaction on your whole face. So just do like a little patch test. So I've used the most raw, organic, unrefined honey, and I've used this regular store-bought honey, and honestly the results are pretty much the same. Like, I don't see a significant difference. So don't waste your time or break your bank trying to get some like organic raw honey, because honestly this does pretty much the same thing and it's way cheaper. And so, I mean, it's really up to you. But so the first thing you're gonna do before you get started is obviously wash your face, because we don't want to put a mask on with all that grimy, nasty stuff on our skin. I did that off camera, so now I'm gonna start applying it. And then next, I suggest that if you have long hair, you put it up and away because the honey will stick to it. And so you literally just get some honey, put it on your hand just like that, and then you're gonna start directly applying it to your face. And the only reason I wet my face is because it just makes the application process way easier. If you try to put it on dry skin, it will pull your skin and it becomes super sticky and hard to apply. So I just like wetting my face to give myself, you know, an easier time breaking down the honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which basically means that it helps to preserve the moisture, you know? So that really makes your skin smoother and clearer and just more moisturized over time, you know? And it has a lot of antifungal and antibacterial properties, which obviously is really good for your skin. And it's packed with a lot of antioxidants, so it's just you winning all around, baby. When you use this, you are feeding your skin that healthy stuff, right? So you just keep applying it like that until the area you want is covered. I kind of just put it all around my face, honestly, and on top of my eyebrows. I don't put it on my eyelids because your eyelashes will stick to your eyelids and you'll have a hard time blinking. So I don't suggest that, but if you really don't care about that, then go for it. If you guys see me looking this way, it's because my mirror is on the left of me, so that's why. But I've suggested honey to very many people, and you know, they always come back with great results. Honey is a very well-known, you know, secret across the world, and it has very many benefits, like I said, not only for external use but for internal use too. It has very many medicinal uses as well, so honey is just great all around, honestly. So after you put it on, you're gonna leave it on for about 15 minutes to an hour, and sometimes I honestly forget and will leave it on for longer than that, but I mean, it just be helping my skin a little bit more, you feel me? I will come back to you guys after I have washed it off and before I put on my moisturizer, just so you guys can see how soft, you know, supple and just smooth my skin looks without anything else on it. So we'll be right back. So I just finished washing my face. As you guys can see, it's still wet. But when I tell you guys, my skin feels Y'all see that? Do you guys see that bounce back? Like, this joint is supple and it just feels super smooth and soft, and like I don't even have anything on my face right now. It's literally just water and straight after the mask. And so honey is just a great mask, and it doesn't have all the added chemicals that you would typically have if you got a store-bought one, you know. I just like using this because it's super easy. As you guys saw, it took me 2 minutes, if not less, and that's simply just the application process. There's really no like making process of it. So it's bomb.com. I highly recommend it for your skin, for your hair, for your health. I personally don't like eating honey that much, but you know, if you do, go crazy. I hope y'all really liked this video, and if you do end up trying the face mask, I would love to know what you think about it, whether you love it or hate it. Let me know in the comment section down below, or DM me on the Black Mercato's Instagram page. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell wherever it is, and keep sharing my videos. Till next time.